Welcome back to Taste Buds and Sunita. Today we will prepare a traditional and flavorful tomato rasam using a earthenware, a South Indian delicacy which keeps cold and cough at bay, perfect for the winter season. Using earthenware for this recipe enhances its authentic taste and aroma. Let's dive into the steps. We will start by preparing the rasam powder. Heat a pan. Add 5 tablespoons of tuar dal. Roast for a minute. Then add 2 tablespoons of chana dal. Roast until aromatic. Now add 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves, 5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Roast well. Toss in 6-7 Kashmiri red chilies and roast for another minute. Transfer to a plate and let it cool. Take a blender, add the roasted mixture with half teaspoon of asafoetida and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Blend coarsely. Now store the powder in an airtight container for future use. Take 8 garlic cloves and crush it in a stone pestle and set aside. Soak a small lemon-sized tamarind ball in water. Keep this aside. Now take 4 tomatoes, split it into 4 and add it to a saucepan with 2 cups of water. Boil these tomatoes till it becomes soft. Now cool the boiled tomatoes, peel the skin and transfer them to an earthenware or any vessel of your choice. Mash the peeled tomatoes using a potato masher in the earthenware. Squeeze the soaked tamarind to extract the pulp and pour it into the earthenware. Add the water used for boiling the tomatoes and mix well. Stir in salt to taste, crushed garlic and place the earthenware on the flame. Bring the mixture to a boil. Mix in 3 tablespoons of prepared rasam powder. Add 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves. Add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for extra punch. This is optional. Now stir in 2 cups of water. Boil the mixture. Then add a handful of chopped coriander leaves, 2 small pieces of jaggery. Simmer for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to blend. Keep this aside. Now take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let it splutter. Add in 2 Kashmiri red chilies, 1 sprig of curry leaves, a pinch of asafoetida and pour the tempering over the prepared rasam in the earthenware. The authentic tomato rasam cooked in earthenware for an enhanced taste is ready. Serve it hot with steamed rice and crispy papad for a wholesome meal. Cooking in earthenware not only maintains authenticity but also enriches the flavor of the dish. Thank you for tuning into Taste Buds and Sunita. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delightful recipes. Stay warm and healthy this winter and happy cooking.